In this episode, we're going to see how our Kotlin file runs in our JVM. So if you are from the Java background, you probably know that our every .java file is converted into the .class file, and that .class file is passed to the JVM. So here is also the similar kind of strategy. So first of all, our .kt file is automatically converted into the .class file, and this .class file is platform independent. We are going to pass this .class file into the JVM. So that's how our Kotlin programs runs. And just by looking at this diagram, you can guess that Kotlin language is not a completely different language. So this is just a redefined version of our old friend Java. Now let me show you the real example. And here is our previous program called hello-world.kt. Now if you go to this out package and into the production, let's go inside the Kotlin, and here you can see the file called hello-world.kt.class file. So let's open up this, and it says compile code. So our hello-world.kt file is converted into hello-world.kt.class file in here, and this bytecode passed into our JVM, and we already have that JVM because we installed the Java JDK. So that's how our whole program executes. Okay, so just for fun, let me actually run this program. And here is our output. So behind the scene, this kt file is converted into the .class file, and this class file is passed into the JVM, and we're getting our result in our console. So I hope you understood the basic architecture of Kotlin, and I will see you in the next part.